जोंनि प्लेयार्सफ्रा जोबोद मोजां गेलेदों साबसिननिफ्राय हामसिन गेलेबाय थादों दा चाकमानि एगेन्स्टआव 11 गलाव जोङो देरहानो हादों दिनै आरो ग्रुप बि नि जिनाखि टालि बाहाय जोङो मस्टलि नाम्बार 1 पजिशनाव जोङो थाहैसिगोन दा जोङो सेमि फाइनालाव मोननाया सियर जाबाय
We are really pleased to see such a big crowd, and we are really pleased with the management team also for giving us the opportunity to play, to sing, and to express our emotions to this august gathering. And even though our Chakma Autonomous District Council might have performed might be the weakest in our performances, but the hospitality and the love that we have received from the people of Bodoland, I think it will go a long way, and it will prove much towards achieving the real objectives of creating this platform that the BTC has created.
This year, government organized first time this event. What is your experience? What's the experience?
I think it is an excellent platform, and the objectives for which this platform has been created. The way the BTC has expressed, and we have heard the speeches of many representatives of BTC. They have created this platform not just for the sake of games and sport. This is a platform where even the weakest council, just like Chakma Autonomous District Council, will have the equal privilege to express our views and ideas and suggestions with all other 10 ADCs, so that we can fight for a unified goal.
Ispl को लानानै मा बुंगोन?
Ispl बिदि खेला सालायदों मोजां मोनदों बयबो पाब्लिकफ्राबो जादों खेलाया बिदिनो जानांगौ सब समाय जोंनि बड'लेण्डआव आरोना
Ispl आव गेलेनो मोननानै गावखौनो माबायदि मोनदों?
गोजोननाय मोनदों।
नेक्स्ट खेलानि थाखाय माबायदि?
नेक्स्ट खेलानि थाखाय खर्सा मा प्रिपेयार खालामो नायनोसै मा जायो।